Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to solve a Rubik's Cube 4 into 4. So for that we have to solve the center pieces of all the colors perfectly. For that white should be on the top, yellow should be down, and the face we are facing should be red, and the opposite to red should be orange, and our left hand should face green and our right hand should face blue. If we don't do it perfectly, we don't get to solve the cube. So today I'm going to show you how to solve it. So for that we have to make the top side completely yellow. For that we have to bring white. For that we have to bring a white color on the top. Our next two white over here. So we have to push this aside and bring these two colors up, and again we have to see where's our next white. So it's over here, so we have to make this white color over here, and then we have to bring this white down, and then we have to make it one and put it back. Now we are gonna solve yellow color. So for that we have a yellow over here, so we'll put this down, put it up, and then bring it back, and again we'll see where's the next yellow color. It's over here, so we'll face it and make one on the top, and then we'll bring this down, we'll turn it, and then we'll bring it up. Now one more yellow is left, so we have to turn it, bring it down, and put it up. In the same method we have to solve all the center colors. See, now white is not mixed up by using this method. Now we are gonna solve a red color. Here should be the red, the face which we face, and here I'm gonna make red color. Red color is over here, so we'll bring it, and next red color is over here, so we'll put it over here. Then we'll bring it back, and then our next red color is down, so we have to make it an L and then take it down, then we have to make it one and put it back. If we do it in this method, it's not gonna mix up. Next we are gonna make orange in the back side of red over here. So two orange is already ready for us, and our next orange is over here, so we'll put it in this manner. We'll put it back, then we'll bring it back. So our next color is ready and nothing is mixed up. Now we are gonna make green in our left side. Here it's blue and it's wrong, we shouldn't do it. Now we are gonna put green over here. For that already one green is formed, so we'll see where's the other green. It's over here, so we'll bring it, bring this, turn it, and put it back. So we have formed a L shape. Now we'll see where's our next green color is over here, so we'll put it this side, and then we'll take right side's piece down, then we'll make it a one and put it back. So we have formed all the colors right now. This is how we've solved the centers. Now we are gonna solve all the edges So I'll show you how to solve all the edges. For that we have to put a same color like this or like this. So we'll see whether any of the same colors are formed in this manner, and we can see that nothing is formed. So I'm gonna form. I'll take red and blue, and red and blue is over here, so I'll put it up. Yeah, now it's formed. Now there's an equation to solve this. It is, so this is our equation to solve it. So now I'm gonna show how to do it. So it was like this, and this is our red and blue, red and blue. So we'll put it together. It became together, and now our centers are gone. So we'll solve it using this equation. So I'm gonna do it. L dash U dash L U U dash. So it's like this. L dash U dash L and U dash. So now the centers became together and we got this edge together. Now we are gonna solve all other edges. Now we are gonna use this same manner for all the solving edges. So we are gonna see our next color, which is red, green and red, green. For that it is in the same line. So what we are gonna do is, we are gonna put this down and we are gonna turn this, put it up. So we got it in a different line. Now we are gonna put it together and we are gonna do that equation. L dash U dash L U dash. Now I'm gonna solve everything, all the edges. So our next color is this. We'll put it together. Now we'll put it together. L dash U dash L U dash. Now I've solved all the edges except LO edges. So for this we are gonna use a easy method. So I'm gonna show how to do it. For that, now it's in the same line, so we have to put it down, and then we are gonna do another equation. So for this we are gonna use this equation. Small letter D R F dash U R dash F small letter D dash. So I'm gonna show how to do it. For that, this is our small letter D, and we are gonna turn it once. R F dash U R dash F and small letter D dash. Now we solved yellow and green. Now we're gonna solve our next color. Our next color is already in the same lines. Yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, red, yellow, red. So now we are gonna use the same equation. If we use this equation, our center pieces are gonna get mixed up. For that, we are using this equation only for yellow. Before solving, so now we are gonna do it. Small letter D R F dash U R dash F and small letter D dash. Now we have got all the edges solved. Now we are gonna put it together like we do it in 3 into 3 cube. So we are gonna solve white first. So white is over here, so we're gonna do the same method as we do it in 3 into 3. So we put all the edges first. We are gonna make plus. Orange is already here. Now we are gonna put blue together, and green is left somewhere. Yeah, it's over here. Put it together. Now we formed a plus. Now we are gonna do the sides, corners. So we are gonna do the same method as we do it in 3 into 3. So we'll put the same color, we'll turn it left, we'll put the right piece down, we'll put it together and up. Same piece together, put it right, down, left and up. Now next color. Now we solve the whole white. Now we are gonna do these 4 colors as we do it in 3 into 3. If someone have learned 3 into 3, it's better to learn that and learn 4 into 4 because it makes more easier to us. And we have put a video of 3 into 3. If you want, you can watch it. Now we are going to do the same method as we do it in 3 into 3. So we are going to put this green together, just right in our right side. So we'll turn it left, put this down, turn it, put it up, and we'll solve the corner now. And we are going to do the same method for solving all these. Now all these are yellow colors, so we cannot solve it. So we'll put a corner down and we'll put it up and we'll solve it. So we'll get an exchanged edge. So now we have got an exchanged edge over here. So now we're gonna solve it. And yeah, over here. And now one more is left, this one. Now we have solved the second layer. Now we are gonna do the yellow part. Now over here, star and fishtail is already formed. It cannot be formed in all the cubes, but it is formed over here. Now I'll show you after this how to make it star and fishtail. Before that, I'm gonna complete how to do this. So just watch. Now this is our equation to make star, F-U-R-U dash R dash F dash. And this is our equation to make fishtail of full yellow, R-U-R dash U-R-U-U R dash. So now I've got a fishtail already. So I'm gonna make full yellow. For this, we are going to take use of this equation, and now we have got a fishtail. In 3 into 3 we keep it like this and we do it, but in 4 into 4 it's not the same. We'll do it on this side. So now I'm going to do this equation, R U R dash U R U U R dash. Now we have completed our yellow. We have got it in this pattern. So now we are going to do another equation, which is this: r dash f r dash 2b 2r r f dash r dash 2b 2r. This is the equation of 3 into 3. So I'm going to do it: r dash f r dash 2b there was no 2r in between this equation, so r f dash r dash 2b 2r. Now we have gotten this pattern. Put it together. No, it's not together anyways. So we'll put it together like this. And now we can do any equation like we do it in 3 into 3. We can use either right or left equation because we have got all the 4 sides the same. So I'm going to show you the equations first. If we are going to do right, it will be 2l u b f dash 2l b dash f u dash, and if it's left, it's 2r u b dash f 2r b f dash u. Now I'm going to do any of the equation. Now I'm going to do right. So I'll do it: 2l u dash b f dash 2l b dash f and u dash. So now we got it in this way. Now we are gonna put it together like this, and now we just got 2 colors. So now we got it like this. We got the 3 sides. So now we are gonna do the left equation. So I'll show you the left equation. I've already showed it once. Again I'm gonna show. So we'll face green side because the green is over here, as we do it in 3 into 3, and I'm gonna do this equation: 2r u b dash f 2r b f dash and u. Now we got it. We just have to turn this and we solved the 4 into 4 cube. Now I'm going to show you another method. When we do fishtail of full yellow, that means this equation ru r dash u r u u r dash, we sometimes get it in this manner. So for that, if we do this equation, we'll be able to solve it completely. So I'm going to show how to do it. And sometimes when we do this equation, we get the same manner. So if we do this equation again, we'll be able to complete it. So I'm going to show you. This is when we get 2 same colors at these points. So we have to keep this side and do it. So I'm going to do it: r dash f r dash 2b r f dash r dash 2b and 2r. Now we got it in this manner, where we got the same colors at the same points. So now it's blue, so we'll keep it with blue, and we'll do it with the opposite side, the same equation. and this is our opposite side. R dash F R dash, oh my god, 2B R F dash R dash 2B 2R. And now we got it. We just have to put it together. So now we solved it. Now I'm going to show you how to solve the cube if we get it in this method, this manner, like two parts are not solved, or else if we get these two like this or like these. So I'm going to show you a simple equation. If we do that, it will get fully solved. So for that, we have to do this equation: Uu2 Rr2 U2, small letter R2, U2 Rr2 Uu2. So now I'm going to show you how to do it. For that, we have to face any of these sides. UU matlab these two. So 1, 2, RR these two. 1, 2, U2, 1, 2. Now it's small letter R, so it's this. 1, 2, 1, 2, RR2, 1, 2, and Uu2, 1, 2. Now we got it fully solved. Now I'm going to show you in this manner, like it's not the opposite. So now we're going to do the same equation as we done before. So I'll show it. So we're gonna show it. Uu2 Rr2 U2, small letter R2, U2 Rr2 and Uu2. So we got it again. So I'm going to do it one more time. Uu2 Rr2 U2, small letter R2, U2 Rr2 Uu2. So we got it again. Sorry, we could have got it before itself, but then I did it with left, I had to do it with this side, so that's why I didn't get it. So I'm going to show it again with the same equation by keeping it this side on the left and doing it on the right side. Uu2 Rr2 U2, small letter R2 U2 Rr2 U2. So now we got a completed side. We got these three sides not completed. So now we have to do it with right equation, because the yellow is going to the right. 2L U dash B F dash 2L B dash F and U dash. U dash. So now we got it solved. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, comment, subscribe and press bell icon for new videos.